Hello, my name's Claire.
Hello, my name's Sarah, and today we're going to make banana, blueberry and Oatbran muffins. Start by mashing the bananas.
So this is gluten-free flour. We're going to sieve that into the large mixing bowl. Right, done that. So this is a great recipe to do if you've got the kids about. We designed it so that it's slightly healthier than a normal recipe, so that the kids can take it to school or they can have it as breakfast.
And it's an easy one to do with the children as well, isn't it?
Yes.
It's a nice easy
Anything
recipe.
that involves mashing.
Yeah, give the Oatbran a little sift through.
Top.
Okay, so the other dry ingredients in here, the baking powder.
There you go.
Thank you. And some bicarb as well.
There you go.
Okay, so now we've got all the dry ingredients, and then we literally just put all the wet ingredients into the dry. Everything in one bowl.
Vanilla extract.
Thank you.
2 teaspoons of that going in there. Splash of maple syrup.
Yes, please.
There you go. And then we're using almond milk so that they're dairy free.
And finally into that mix go the eggs. Thank you.
It's quite a sloppy mix, isn't it?
It is, but it get a good rise on this one.
So we're filling them about 3/4 full.
Lovely. I will start some of these ones, dropping some blueberries in. Last few blueberries and these too. So yeah, make sure you've got a few on the top and some that go down into the mix. And then before putting in the oven, last thing we do is sprinkle some of the Oatbran over the top. There we go, and they are ready.
Right, so they're going in the oven at 180 degrees. Was it about 20 minutes?
About 20 minutes.
There we go.
And that's how you make banana, blueberry and Oatbran muffins.
Really good.